Hello everyone, you want to create amazing logo for your country like this and show your patriotism? Okay, let's go do it. First of all, you need to open the Google Slides. This is an amazing app for doing things like this or doing graphics work. And first select the text and write your letter, your first letter, and scale it according to your size. I suggest you make it as big as you can so that you can adjust all the letters. Set its font and its style and its color. Put the color gray or anything else for now. Copy it and paste it and change the letter so that the style stays consistent. Now choose this shape from here and put it here like this. And go to this fill bucket option and choose dropper. Select the color of the letter so that you could see, and copy the shape and paste it and fill the gaps from this shape. Now do the same to the other letters and now change the color to the white of both letters or all letters, and press Ctrl+A to select all the shapes and set their color to white also. And one more thing, you make the background color of this slide transparent. Click on file and download as PNG image. This is important part, you have to download with PNG. Now come to GIMP, a free software. This is very easy to make in these free software also. You don't need to buy anything for this. I'm not here to sell anything, I'm just here to teach you some amazing things. Enough advice. Open your GIMP, bring your background image or the image you want your text to fill. So now you need to bring in the image which you have just created, the PNG one, and scale it using this tool. Make it as big as possible and now change its location. Set the location which you want to show off in your font and choose the background image. I suggest you choose the background image as some kind of landmark of your country so that it is self-explanatory. And select the image on the top, right click on it on the layers and alpha to selection. Now click on the background image, right click on it, and where is that option? Add layer mask. Okay, now select selection and click add and just wait for it. Ta-da! Here's your amazing country logo with your background. Just the one thing left to export it. Click on file, export as, change the name accordingly. Change the name and select the PNG from here. It's important so that whenever you put it somewhere, it is just letters and the style with letters and nothing else. So PNG here. Okay, export it now. This is what it look like. Tell me it's amazing. It was made from completely free tools. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will be waiting for your like and subscribe, and tell me in comments if you want something else.